Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your headphones EDIFIER STAX S5 available on Android devices? So I already installed the application what EDIFIER offer for the headphones. It's called EDIFIER CONNECT. And if we open the application, we can check supported devices for this application. We need to click at the three lines here and then go to headset series. So our model is STAX SPIRIT, and if this application available for these headphones, we can see these headphones at the device list. So right here we have it. We need to scroll down. And right here I see STAX SPIRIT S5. So this application available for your headphones, and my short answer is yes. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!